Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set Google Chrome as the default browser on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have Google Chrome installed and updated to the latest version. So just go to the App Store on your iPhone and look for Chrome. So we have Google Chrome. I've already installed it, but there's an update pending. So let me first update quickly. So now that Chrome is ready, here's what to do. First, you can go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to the app section and look for Chrome. Tap on it, and that opens the Chrome settings page. Tap on default browser app. And normally the default browser is set to Safari, and that's why there's a check mark next to Safari. So to choose Chrome, tap on it and you'll see the check mark move to Chrome, and that means Chrome has now been set as your default browser. And that is basically it. That's how to set or how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.